All right, guys, let's get ready to short AMD here if this holds. Yeah, I'm in Mountain Standard. So it is 8:15 over here right now. All right, guys, I'm looking at AMD 0508 $51 puts. Ooh, maybe we go 52. Yeah, let's go with $52 puts. I'm not in it yet. I just have it typed into my phone. So ooh, I better let the Discord know. Awesome, guys. Yeah, let's hop into this. So AMD 0508 $52 puts. $52 is the strike. Um, review order. I am literally just waiting to see which way this candle goes to begin. All right. Let's see if it bounces here or not. Be nice to get in right at that line. Get a bit better entry. All right. Let's see how this candle reacts to this line here. Awesome. I'm going to get in right here. So I just placed an order. Let's see what my average was here. So I got in at 0.92, guys. Awesome, guys. All right, you guys got in at like 0.94-ish. And AMD 0508, $54. Plus. Damn, looks like somebody's heckling Isaac right now in the members chat. Eric, are you talking about when I'm looking to enter? Yeah, sometimes I'll adjust the limit price, especially if it moves while I'm still trying to like place my order and stuff. But yeah, sometimes I do. Oh, my strike is wrong. Oh shoot, I meant 52. Thanks for catching that, man. Jeez, this dude, Jess Sussin, 1947, is being something else in the members chat right now. Support on AMD. You know, first off, we got probably like just this last big green candle here. Um, besides that, we got a pivot right around here, 51.6, that we'll be looking at. To be quite honest, you know, it is a bit in no man's land, but we'll see. Yeah, I would definitely say, Luke, you're right. 52.6-ish, the close of yesterday. Awesome, guys. I mean, it is staying below this trend line, which is good. Let's start looking for some other plays while we let this one ride out. Yeah, that dude is tripping. I agree. He should leave if he's going to be like this. Wow. What a tool. Yeah, that's all right. Let's get back to trading, guys. Oh, shoot, Luke. I'm sorry about that. I mean, that's not that much of a difference, though. You know, that's what, $6 difference. So it shouldn't be terrible. Yeah, so that's a bit more of a difference, Luke. Yeah, actually, I got some faith in this, Luke. Yeah, I'm still in AMD, guys. I mean, I'm down like $2 on it right now. So no sweat there. 21 Savage, why your cash account might not clear overnight? Um, I don't know, man. Actually, I don't. Huh. Maybe it's something to do with toss, because all of my um yeah, I don't know why that is. Charles Schwab cleared mine. But yeah, AMD is looking nice. Anybody know what this candle is called right here? This candle that we're looking at right now? Well, it's called a bear hammer. Yes, exactly. It's called the fuck you green candles. That's awesome. Um, what did somebody just asked about getting in? What indicators made you see the possibility in this AMD play? So no indicators. We saw the MACD crossover, which was a good sign. However, what I was looking at was this trend line um, right here when we were seeing that AMD rally end of day yesterday. We broke it, and now we are absolutely dying right now, which is nice. So I don't even know what percent I'm up, but that's a decent amount. I'm up 11%. Ah, Grails, not again, bro. Honestly, guys, you guys crack me up in the Discord sometimes. Grails GAs, like, is it still too late to get into AMD? Just so you know, guys, I do have a sell order ready for AMD. I haven't sold it yet, but I just have it open. While we've got this going, though, let's keep on looking for some other plays. Also, Luke, if you're kind of nervous about your bad entry on AMD, you could definitely just take those meager profits right now. Um, Eric is asking, is this your big 20% move? Just curious. Um, this definitely could be a 20% move. We shall see. I do think we have room to this 51.91 mark, which would give us some pretty good money. Probably take profit at 52 or so. We'll see though. I don't really like how the volume backed off here. Yeah, we'll see. We're still in it for now. Once again, though, we're still looking. Whoa, love died. Dude, okay, how about Warren Buffett the other day saying that he dropped all of his shares in airlines? That man absolutely wrecked these airline companies. I feel bad for them. And it's like, yeah, he did, Eric. It's like if you knew Warren Buffett, you could totally just like if he told you that he was going to say that, you could short the airlines right then and there and have made so much money. Yeah, he did kind of dick down the Boeing play. And Musk too. Dude, what is our market right now, honestly? Oh, AMD's looking pretty nice. Nice. Got in at 0.92. It's at a 1.06 right now. You think, Eric, that Musk said that just so that he could buy some more shares of Tesla at a lower cost? Meep, the answer is yes, that is very illegal. But the question we have to be asking ourselves is, does Elon Musk care that it's illegal? Probably not, if I'm going to be totally honest with you. Ooh, look at the Starbucks play. Look at how nice and rounded that top is. That could be a nice play later on. I saw something actually, Meep, that was saying that SEC was gonna take a bunch of um, take a bunch of stuff away from him because of this. And hell yeah, it is, Luke. We like to see it. Yeah, meep. Kinda got a good entry here on AMD. I'm just so my scalping self is telling me right now to take profit. It's pretty decent profits. However, I told you guys we were gonna find a big play today. So we're gonna let it run out a little bit longer, see what happens here. We maybe just take profit at the 50 MA or at this line here. Who knows? Hmm. Yeah, let's see how this candle opens up Eric's before we decide to do anything in terms of taking profit here. Awesome. One thing that I've started to look at more, guys, on a trading view is this right here, like the live bid ask. Kind of lets you see which direction the market, or at least the stock, is leaning towards a little bit before the candlestick even moves. Um, Damn, Eric. Well, I don't know about the biggest move that I remember, but here, Luke, first off, don't go for 1.07. Go for 1.06 because that way you'll get filled a bit quicker there. But biggest move that I have proof of was before the whole coronavirus thing hit. I shorted Love, Southwest Airlines, and I made a bunch of money off of that. So that was nice. I think I was up if I remember correctly, it was like 700% overnight when I was shorting the airlines. And that was like right before the whole coronavirus thing hit too. I got into puts. I'm just upset at myself that I didn't hold them longer. I sold them after that first night when I was up like 700%, but probably could have held on to them and made a lot more. But you're right, Eric. It was totally lucky that the whole coronavirus thing hit while I was shorting airlines, or at least Love Southwest. Wow, 1.8 billion. That's a lot of cash, man. Hmm. Hmm. What we're probably looking at here, guys, is either a bounce or break of this 52.57 mark on AMD, just in terms of, short-term movements here. Hopefully, if we do bounce off this 52.5758 mark, we go back to those previous lows right around here. We shall see, though. At least that would be ideal in keeping this trend intact. So let's see what happens right here, guys. Beautiful. We like what we're seeing. Hmm. Basically, guys, what I'm looking for right now on AMD is just to keep the trend intact. Lower lows and lower highs. So we definitely don't want to see it, you know, busting above or even at these highs here. We definitely want to see it staying below those. Um, but yeah, generally that's always a good bearish signal when you're seeing lower highs. Yeah, it looks like I'm up around 5% right now. So we're still waiting. I wonder if there's some sort of, oh yeah, look at that trend line right here on AMD. Yeah, Luke, that is definitely true. Um, I'm just wondering if a SPY pump is going to affect AMD right now. And I don't really know for sure. I'm hoping that it won't. Hopefully, SPY tanks. I can't see that hurting us, but we'll see. Looks like the 50 is about to cross over the 200 on SPY, which I'm sure will cause some algos to kick in, but we'll see. Oh, geez, dude. Why? How did the freaking members chat get so toxic? What is this? 52.24 is looking like support-ish. 2, 4, right around here. Um, 52.24. Yeah, I mean, I think that's safe to say. Probably not a large one, but we see, where was that? Right here, we see these two candles kind of flattened out against it. And we also see back here that that was kind of like the close of that one day. So, yeah, I think you're safe to say that it's a bit of a I guess it was a resistance, now support. Oh, nice AMD. Um, hmm. Do we take profit or not? Well, we could play it safe, or we could have diamond hands and look for a bit more gains. Um, let's look at the 1 minutes here. Oh yeah, looks like it kind of bounced off of that previous low. Let's see if I can take it out though. That's a good idea, guys. I'm actually gonna post to take profit on half. Nice, AMD. Let's go. Um, Man, tricky decision here. Hmm. The one thing that I'm really not liking is how the volume is going down here. That's kind of some cause for concern, but nice, guys. AMD is definitely looking bearish to me. Um, 52.24. Yeah, it did bounce off of that. Great job, Eric. I'm loving it. I honestly, man, that makes my day just because I really do love seeing you guys grow. And so super super happy that you're able to see that. Let's see if we bounce or take out 52.24 this time, I guess. Yeah, Eric, that totally makes sense. Nice. Now let's see if the 200-day on the 1-minute chart gets blown out. Nice, AMD. Let's go. That's around 20%, right? Let me do the math here. 0.92 divided by 1.09. That's about 16%. Not bad, not bad. You know, I'm gonna take profit here, guys. Or should we take profit? Oh, yeah, let's do it. Let's play it safe. That was 18%, am I right? Yeah, I thought that was 18%. Well, hell yeah, guys. Quick and easy gains like that. Love to see it. Love to see it. Well, let's move on to the next one. Wow. Nice, guys. Well, that was a nice AMD play. Quick and easy. Nice, guys. Well, good thing we got out when we did. The frickin' bounce of the 200 moving average. Saw it coming from a mile away. Nice, guys. Well, that brought the small account up another 3% today so far. And we still got a lot of buying power left with it. So let's keep these gains rolling. Hell yeah. Oh, geez, Luke. No. Wait, so Luke, you're basically doing exactly what I'm doing right now. You've got the small account going, and then you have your regular account going too. Nice, guys. We could actually slap around AMD some more if you guys want to. Um, nice. Yeah, Luke, I have both of my accounts on Schwab personally. I love Schwab. Their interface isn't that great, but their fills are freaking amazing. Yeah, Luke, I actually have actually let me count. I think I have 4 accounts open right now on Schwab. I have 1, 2. Yeah, I have 4 accounts on Schwab right now. Basically, Eric's what I mean. Yeah, me. I only use Schwab. Schwab's the best broker out there, in my opinion, at least. Um, basically, though, what I mean when I say they have great fills is, um, basically they fill you really quickly, and they do this thing called price improvements. So a lot of the time, say when I do a limit order for, let's say on AMD just now, like 1.6, it'll send me a notification saying price improvement. We actually filled you for 1.8 or whatever. You know what I mean? So that's what I mean when I'm saying they have great fills. They almost always will fill me at a better price. Yeah. Yeah, for sure, man. And yeah, Meep. Street Smart sucks. Don't use it. It's terrible. That's why I'm using TradingView right now is because, first off, I love the TradingView platform. Here for the money. Are you asking about, like, option contract quotes? Yeah, no, there's no delay. Um, like, it's up to date, their option contract quotes. Wow, I really could see AMD continue to sell off here. We shall see, though. Profits are profit. 18% was a pretty nice amount to start off the day. Anyway, Chris Option or Dust is saying SPY about to go down too. Yeah, definitely bearish. We're seeing this kind of like, I mean, obviously it's too small to play, but descending triangle here on SPY. No. Ooh, we could play it, guys. No, Chris, I agree with you. Definitely bearish on it. Maybe we short SPY really quick in honor of Chris. Let's see what happens though. I mean, the RSI is high. Um, MACD crossed over. It definitely could be a play. We'll keep watching it for sure. I'm just gonna check out premiums right now for shorting SPY. Ooh, so we could go really ballsy, go with like a 1 day till extra expiration puts. Um, Maybe a bit risky for my blood though. Definitely could though. If we do that, it's hmm, yeah, if we do 1 day till expiration, it'll have to be a scalp. Too risky to hold that thing longer. Oh man. Nice. Not gonna lie, I actually love seeing everybody send in those profit pictures. Makes my day, man. Mm. Anyway, we'll be looking at shorting SPY if it plays out. Luke, you're talking about doing a 5.8 contract on SPY instead of the was it a 5.3 that I was looking at? Is that what you're thinking? Oh, I was looking at 5.6. Yeah. Awesome, man. Looks like we got out at the perfect time on AMD here. It's pretty much just going sideways right now, which kind of would have wrecked our premiums. Um, all right. You got a bad exit on AMD, Eric? What'd you get out at? Shoot, bro. That's an L. I think I got out at like 1.09. Ooh, look at SQ here, guys. That's messy for sure. But some sort of trend line here that we're seeing. Um, we'll see if this 65.84 turns it into a support. If it does and it breaks that, we are definitely going to short it. At least, we'll at least have room down to the low of the day, right around 65.3. Damn, was that just because Toss was acting up on you guys, or why was that? Oh, geez, yeah, that's annoying. Yeah, Jonathan, let me, I'll take a look at CCL in just a second here. Oh, Netflix is at that mark I was talking about. Um, nice. Let's check out Netflix premiums really quick because Netflix calls right now might not be a bad idea. Okay. So Netflix premiums are expensive, but they aren't that expensive. Let's move this line up here really quick. Yeah, I'll definitely be keeping an eye on Netflix here, guys. Um, it is at the point where we're going to want to start getting some calls on it. Let's see if it breaks this candle wick here, and then we'll go from there. Oh, shoot, CCL, that's right. Big L on CCL. Jeez. You know, once again, like I've been saying about CCL for some time now, guys. Um, you know, definitely we want to be buying shares in CCL if we're going to get in, not contracts. Just a lot safer, and you still have a huge profit potential. Oh no, did we miss the Zoom play? Damn, we did miss it. Oh well. There will always be more trades. Wow, that Starbucks descending scallop is still coming. All right. We'll definitely be watching Starbucks here. Square. Ooh, looks like Netflix wants to do it. Hmm. All right, guys, awesome. I am hopping into. Yeah, the RSI is high. You're right. We definitely still got some room though. Yeah, let's wait on Netflix, see if it pulls back a little bit. What I'm looking at, just a heads up, guys, is the 0508 $45 or $445 strikes for Netflix. Yeah. Dang, I could really see this being a huge play though. That's all right though. We'll leave it alone. We'll see what the RSI does. Whoa, AMD. Oh, we missed it. That descending channel. Wow. We missed a big move. Yeah, L.L.C, that would pretty much be a huge portion of the small account if we were to throw that at Netflix. Um, if the RSI was lower, I would be getting in right now for sure. But that's all right. We'll still be looking. Dang it, guys. We missed a beautiful play, that descending channel. RSI is this lowest line right here. GK. RSI is down here. Guys, I'm not in Netflix, okay? RSI is a bit concerning. Let's see if it pulls back. Maybe retests for us to get an entry. Definitely GK. It's all about learning, man. What does RSI mean? So basically, the RSI is telling us when a stock is oversold or overbought, right? So right now, it is telling us that SPY is very overbought. So that generally means that the momentum's going to run out on SPY soon, and it's going to start falling back to earth soon. Brendan, I know what you're asking. You're saying, have you ever just bought at the bid and then sold at the ask very quickly? Is that what you're asking? Yeah. So generally, you won't get filled on either side of those, right? Generally, when you're trying to buy, you're going to get filled closer to the ask. And when you're trying to sell, you're going to get filled closer to the bid. So, yeah, that's generally not something that you can do. Hmm. I don't think Netflix would take that VWAP out. What I'm looking at right now for Netflix is it has this really nice ascending triangle on it right now. You know, we see kind of 1, 2, 3 touches on it, and then that support is, or I guess that's a resistance, is confirmed by 2 more touches, 3 more touches over here. So that's what I'm looking at Netflix right now. Wow. Can't believe we missed that break on AMD. That's an L, but oh well. Wonder how the volume was there. Volume was still pretty. Let's see if Netflix bounces off of this um, broken resistance here or not. If it does, we might get in for a quick scalp. I don't know. Yeah, Brendan, Eric's is actually answering your question really well. You should look at what Eric's just posted. That was a great explanation, Eric's. Nice job, buddy. Missed that too. Generally, when I'm looking at the RSI, it's Usually the 5-minute candles that I'm looking at. Hmm. No, I'm not talking right now. Sorry, I was responding to people on Discord. Whew. No, you're good. Let's see if the RSI fades down a little bit on Netflix. I really like this play on Netflix. Not gonna lie. Symmetrical triangle on SQ. No, what I was actually looking at was this trend line here. We missed the break of it though, watching Netflix. So that one's gone, sadly, but that's okay. MVS is asking, isn't the bid-ask spread too much on Netflix? Um, I mean, yeah, the bid-ask is decently large, but it's not terrible. Like you're definitely gonna have to go with limit orders instead of market, but it's not that bad. You'll be fine if you do limit orders. Hmm. Yeah, for sure. Hmm. Oh, I want to find more plays, guys. I want to trade more. Yeah, SPY is close to the high of the day. Hmm. Wow, we really did miss a break on A and D there. Shoot. Oh well. Check out Facebook. Most definitely cancer. Mm-hmm. Facebook is pushing. Starbucks is shaping up really nice, guys. Dang, that SQ play would have been nice. Oh well, though. We're looking to short Starbucks really soon here, guys. Probably at a break of around 73.75-ish. You were just asking if that was ascending triangle on Apple, Buzzo? I'll look at it right now. I would just wait for now. Elon. Ascending triangle. No, sir. We do not see an ascending triangle on Apple. Unless it's like really long term. And my charts won't load. There we go. Yeah, no ascending triangle here on Apple. Apple looks like a stock, though, that's definitely going to make a V-shaped recovery. As of right now, though. Wow, it looks like SPY got rejected right off of that high of the day mark. Let's see if it breaks. Yeah, Netflix is going sideways right now. Glad we didn't hop in, for sure. Sorry, I'm refreshing the page because it's having some trouble loading right now. Well, this is about the time of day that the market tends to slow down quite a bit. I still want to get into one more trade with you guys while we're on the live trading session, but doesn't look like we're really seeing anything else right now. Can I explain the Starbucks play? Most definitely can. So what we're looking at here is we're seeing basically a descending scallop. It's kind of broken down a little bit right here, but at the break of the low of the day, right here, 73.74 is probably going to be our entry point. Phew. One more play. Give us something, market, please. I mean, guys, I suppose we could enter Starbucks early right now. It looks pretty good. Um, Definitely would be a lot higher risk if we entered right now, though. Yeah, SPY's once again rejecting off of this. We're kind of seeing SPY in a channel right now. So we'll definitely play it either way once when it breaks. We'll play that 288.34 to the upside, or we'll play the 287.38 to the downside. Yeah, Eric's, I agree. We'll play Starbucks safe. Brian Lee, you're asking about playing the support on Starbucks or on SPY? No, I'll let everybody know right now that that's what we're looking at. Alexia Wilson, thank you so much. That means a lot to me. Thanks for sending that. Really do appreciate it. I really do appreciate, guys, when you send your pictures in the profits page, or when you send testimonials. Really, I know it makes my day, and I know it makes Isaac's day as well. So huge blessing when you guys do that. Awesome. Looks like Starbucks is approaching our entry here, guys. Let's get ready to hop into Starbucks. Yeah, we're going to be shorting Starbucks. If it gets to entry, we'll see though. So what I'm looking at is those 0508, probably $73 puts. Yeah, let's see what SPY does here too, because we may actually get some calls on SPY right here if it breaks. Yeah, Fresiano, 73 would be out of the money. Correct. Let's check out SPY here. Yeah, okay, let's enter some SPY calls, guys. Let me look at premiums really quick, and then I'll tell you guys what I enter into. Okay. We're still watching here. What I'm looking at right now is SPY 0508 290 calls right now. With SPY, you should be able to get away with doing a market order. I'm just waiting for confirmation here, guys. The RSI is pretty high, which is cause for some concern. But the technical analysis besides that is looking pretty fine. So don't forget Starbucks here for the money. We're looking to play both of these. We're looking to play this SPY break here. And then Starbucks. Oh gosh, Starbucks too. No, we haven't missed Starbucks yet. Starbucks is um, right at the support here. And it looks like it's going to break. I really like that volume on Starbucks. Okay, my Charles Schwab app is being insanely slow right now. We may end up entering 2 plays at once, guys. The RSI on Starbucks isn't that bad. It's right around the middle. Oh, geez, I hate these situations, guys. Bassam's iPhone. Starbucks is probably a bit safer, but once again, it looks like it bounced off of that pretty clearly. So it may actually not even end up playing out. Let's see if this candle retests here. Yeah. It does look like a clean bounce off here. Um, you know, that's the one of the things that I love about technical analysis is that we were able to tell that that was a support line and it didn't break. It ended up bouncing off of it, but the technical analysis was still right there, which I absolutely love seeing. Yeah. Looks like that SPY break may have been a fake out there. Once again, though, let's see if SPY um, ends up just retesting and then taking off or not. Ah, good thing that you waited, MVS. There's always a reasoning behind me waiting or me getting in, you know? So good thing you waited there. Honestly, though, guys, this does look like a textbook retest. So if this does turn into like a miniature ascending scallop, we're going to be hopping in. Yeah, it looks like a clean bounce for Starbucks as well. Sheesh. I mean, honestly, that's kind of nice for Starbucks. That just gives us that much more confirmation. Um, Knowing that it bounced off. Fresiano, I'm personally not considering a Starbucks call just because we don't know how this bounce is going to look. And true MVS. I think a lot of people get sick of it just because a lot of my trades are, you know, small, like 5-10% gains. But you know, that's how I grew my account to where it's at now. Um, you know what I mean? When you're making those small gains, exactly, when you're making those 5 to 10% gains consistently, it adds up really quickly. You know, and at first it doesn't seem like much because you're only buying one contract, maybe two contracts. But then once when your account grows and you're able to buy 5 or 10 contracts, um, it really does end up adding up big time. Yeah, it does add up. Once again, watching SPY and Starbucks here. It looks like that SPY pullback may have been a retest. Um, Once again, looking at 0508, 290 or 291 calls. We shall see. Yeah, I'm gonna hop in, guys. So give me 1 second here. I'm not hopping in quite yet. Waiting a little bit longer. Seeing what's gonna happen. Meep, I'm looking at SPY right now. I'm getting ready to get in. I haven't quite gotten in yet. Looks like it's fading away again. I really like the spy play. The one thing that I just am kind of concerned about is how high the RSI is. But as we're seeing, like earlier today, SPY didn't care at all about the RSI. It was pumping anyway. Let's check on Starbucks really quick. If Starbucks stays below this high and drops again, I'm going to be really confident in that play as well. Eek. Yeah, it looks like that's SPY is struggling here. So, all right, healthy pullback by Starbucks here. Oh gosh, not 1 second. We want 1 minute. Nice. I like how the 1 minutes are playing out right now. We're seeing it bounce off of that previous high, which is generally very bullish. If it can hold above that, I'll be happy. Great. Yeah, MVS. We have been seeing a lot of false breakouts lately. It's been a bummer. We could buy calls on Starbucks if it takes this like 74.22 mark here. Maybe go a bit more conservative on it and make it the VWAP right here. Yeah, I think we'll plan on that as well. Check out Twitter. Sure. Looks like the 50-day moving average is supporting it a little bit, which is nice. What would be really awesome to see would be to see this huge um, ascending scallop on Twitter. Will it happen? Probably not, but it'd still be cool to see. Mm. Starbucks is getting closer to that entry we were talking about, 74.36. So that would be a ascending scallop that we would be playing right there. You see, ascending scallop. We may have to end up scratching this spy play, guys. It just doesn't have any strength behind this move. Yeah, we can look at Zoom for you. This is what we're looking at for Zoom. You know, not much. We were planning on playing the Zoom at the break of the high of day right here, but we totally missed that entry. Jeez, SPY just needs to decide what it wants to do. Ooh. Yeah, interesting for sure. Uche. We'll see what happens here. You know, once again, we're planning on playing Starbucks either way here, really. You know, break of the low of the day here or break of this ascending scallop here. Another boring day in the market. Small volume today, at least on SPY. The volume hasn't been great, but you know, I'll take what we can get. That AMD short was pretty nice, so happy about that. Is AMD in an ascending triangle? Let us look. I don't see one right now. However, we could definitely see one eventually form. If we see AMD, you know, come up here again, bounce down, vice versa. We'll see though. Hmm. Guys, yeah, let's enter those SPY calls that we were talking about. So guys, I am in those SPY calls. So 0508 291 calls. This is probably going to be a bit slower. Market seems to not really be doing anything. Yeah, I just got in though, guys. It'll be a quick scalp most likely. Yeah, 291 strike. Make sure it's 0508, Isaac. Yeah, I'm typing it out right now. This is a bit riskier. I probably shouldn't have even signaled it in the members chat just because I'm actually thinking about taking profit like super soon. So just so all of you guys got a heads up, I have the sell order pulled up on my phone right now. And so just so all of you guys know, generally when I'm playing SPY, I almost always use market orders just because the spread is pretty tight and Schwab does really good with making sure that I get good fills. So well, this is a bit boring. Now it's just not moving. Guess better than moving down. Let's see here. Not seeing much on AMD. Looks like Starbucks is getting rejected right here. Jeez, this SPY volume is so frustrating. Basically, though, guys, what we're hopefully looking for is retest off of that previous high. Look, I probably be able to see it better in the 1 minutes. Basically, we're looking for a retest of this high right here and then a bounce off. Yeah, Brendan, now's probably a good entry to hop into SPY. Luke, I'm definitely looking for the Starbucks play. We'll definitely keep an eye on it. I don't know if it'll end up playing out or not, though. Hopefully it does, but it's starting to look pretty messy, so may not end up playing out today. Great, guys. This is what we're looking for right over here on SPY. Yeah, MVS, you're definitely right. It's definitely a uncertain play. What we're basically looking at here, though, is for this high right here to get tested and then for SPY to bounce off of. I will say I do like that the 50-day moving average is pretty close underneath SPY here. Another thing we're looking at is the break of this trend line right here on SPY. Obviously, these are 1-minute candles, so that wouldn't necessarily be a huge move off of that trend line break, but it would definitely be something. Yeah, Bassam, that could be a problem just because, if we end up holding this a bit longer, the theta will kind of kick in a bit earlier than it will for us. So that could be an issue, but hopefully it's not. Now let's see how SPY reacts off of this trend line here, guys. Man, markets have been pretty boring so far this week. Not gonna lie. Isaac, don't go freaking out on us, man. It's okay that SPY's down right now. Like I was saying earlier, we're looking for it to retest off of those previous highs. Yes, sir. And I mean, if we do have to end up cutting, we'll still be positive for the day. So no sweat there. True, Eric's. True. So I don't give out my age, guys. I will say if it helps you, I'm younger. I'll say that. I'm I'm studying for my CFA right now. So, chartered financial analysis. Yeah, how do you know, Isaac? I'm 11. Yeah, that's a pretty good bet, Apple the kid. I am between 1 and 99 years old. Thank you guys. Yeah, Spy is being stubborn. That's okay though. Kind of just watching right now. It's kind of boring. Dude, volume is so bad right now. It's absolutely torturous. Whoa, what just happened there? Hmm. Well, nice, Spy. So, Bassam, it all depends on the play you want to make there. The closer expiration you do, Uche Asahor, Asin Asahor. That's a funny one. It's above the 200 MACD. Yeah, you're correct. But yeah, so basically, when we're choosing our strike price, on it all depends on. Sorry about that. I accidentally muted myself. It all depends on what type of play we're looking at getting into. If it's a quick scalp, then definitely a closer expiration is feasible just because theta won't be really an issue if you're planning on getting in and out within minutes, but something like this where we're looking to hold this a bit longer, um, we usually want a bit farther out strike prices. Also, another thing is generally you'll make bigger percentage gains off of closer strike prices, but generally those. Oh, nice Spy. What was I gonna say though? Yeah, generally you make higher percentage gains off of closer expirations. It's just that those gains aren't quite as much just because your contracts are less. Nice Spy. Yeah, 289 is going to be a tough one to pass. We'll see here. If we bounce off of it, honestly, I may just end up selling just because I don't want to deal with this right now. We'll see though. Looked like some volume picked up there for SPY, so we'll wait and see what happened. Nice. So personally, I do like what we're seeing here on SPY, seeing those lower lows and higher highs, right? This 289 mark is probably going to be pretty tough to blow by just psychologically. Um, it's kind of like a psychological resistance there for people. Also, that's right now hitting, this resistance right here, right here, at that 289-ish, maybe I'd call this resistance 289.2. So if we blow by that, then we definitely have room to push. It's all about if we blow by that or not, or if we want to just get out of SPY now and just because of the stress and stuff. Um, Honestly, though, I don't really mind either way, holding it or selling it. If we lose these lows here, then I'm definitely gonna cut, but we shall see. Definitely MVS. I feel that, man. Another boring day in the markets, but we made our quick cash today with AMD. Um, for sure, man. It was a lot of fun trading with you as well. We'll see how SPY plays out here. Yeah, definitely. I hope we keep the streak going as well. Small account is shaping up real nice right now, so let's keep it up. Awesome. Thank you guys for tuning in once again. I'll be doing another one of these tomorrow morning, so hopefully see you then. Oh, there we go, SPY. So once again, if we take this, then we're most likely going to be mooning. If we bounce, though, we could be in trouble, just because it would be kind of like our third bounce off of this resistance here. So let's see what this candle does on SPY. I'm liking the trend that SPY is holding right now, though. Looks really good to me. There we go. This is the moment of truth right here, Spy. Mm, nice. Keep on pushing. Sweet. Right now, what I'm looking at, guys, is this bid ask right here. Just seeing what way the market is kind of leaning right now. Yeah, Cammy, I think I'm up like $1 right now. Oh, great. Now I'm up $4. LOL. I think that's about less than 2% gain, but 2% is better than 0%, I suppose. Yeah, looks like the bid ask is going to drag SPY down a little bit here. Oh, maybe not. There we go. Jeez, this is a battle right here for SPY, trying to take this point. Yeah, get ready with a market sell, because if it bounces off of this, we're definitely going to want to get out ASAP. Nice. Looks like we're going up. Sweet. You know, Luke, I'm thinking about taking profit right now. I just want to see how this candle finishes. Um, yeah, the volume sucks right now. Hmm. Let's see if it takes out this candle wick here. Let's see here. Geez, it really doesn't want to push back this previous candle. It's right there. There we go. Sorry, Isaac, I'll answer your question in just a second. I just want to pay attention to SPY here right now. Awesome, guys. We're boosting right now. Sweet, guys. I'm really thinking, yeah, let's take profit here. We definitely have more room to go, but honestly, it's weak volume, all that stuff, so I took profit. Yeah. Sorry about that, guys. I thought that would be a bit stronger of a move, honestly. Yeah, that was I mean, quick 5% gain. I really did think that was going to be a bit stronger of a move, but I guess we'll take what we can get. Money's money, am I right? Yeah. Yeah, of course, guys. That AMD play was nice though. That was a nice, decent gains there. Um, yeah, Isaac, I'm definitely doing this tomorrow for sure. Okay, so question, Kanji, when wait, I saw the question up here somewhere. When were you comfortable trading for a living? Oh, geez. So the reason why I'm such a stickler on risk management is because that's what really made me profitable. Um, when I first started, I didn't really have any risk management. I would throw like basically my entire account into each play, whatever. And first off, I wasn't that good at technical analysis when I started, just like nobody is when they start. And second off, throwing your entire account into each play is never um, a good way to become profitable. And so I was doing that. I blew my account. I was gonna give up, but I decided not to. I kept on grinding. I decided to start educating myself a lot, right? And so basically I read a lot of books, lots of YouTube videos, talked to my dad a lot because my dad actually used to be vice president of Oppenheimer Funds. And I don't know if you guys know who they are, but they just got sold to Invesco not too long ago. And basically they were a like mutual fund company, right? So they would invest other people's money for them. And so I learned a lot from my dad. And second time through on my account, I pretty much blew it again. Um, I grinded. I worked for a while. I got what maybe I probably started with maybe 2,000 in my account. And at this point, I was still working while I traded and stuff. Um, I ended up growing my account pretty significantly, following risk management very closely, and doing a lot of these super quick scalps like I've been doing with you guys. And, as time goes on, those quick scalps really start to add up. Got my account up to where it is now. Um, and then once when I realized that I was making enough money trading to do it for a living is when I ended up doing that. And so, yeah, I don't know if that makes sense to you guys, but that's how I became a full-time trader. And Fresiano is asking, how long do you think it took for you to feel completely confident in your TA? Well, man, I don't think there's ever a point where you can be completely confident in your TA because it doesn't matter how good you are at it. It's never 100% accurate. Like those patterns are never 100% accurate. Um, all of that stuff. So I would say it took me a while to get confident in it for sure. But, you know, I think once when I realized that you always need to have a little skepticism when you're trading based off of TA, just because it can always fail you. That's when I really started to become profitable. But I would say it probably took me a solid 6 months, maybe a little bit less, because I started off with a bit of an advantage just because I grew up around the trading world my entire life. Um, how many years has it been for you trading? Ooh. So trading full time or just like when did I start dabbling in it? Because I started dabbling in it a long time ago. Probably I started trading, I guess, probably 5 or 6 years ago. Um, yeah, I would say probably. Let me count the years real quick. Yeah, I think it's been about 5.5 years since I started trading. Why do you ask 21 Savage? For sure, man. And I will say, definitely when you first start trading, it is very discouraging because you're gonna find yourself on a lot of losing trades. You aren't gonna know when to stop out, all of that stuff. And yeah, Jonathan, I am young for sure. Um, all of that stuff though, guys, that's gonna be the difficult part when you first start trading. But if you can push past that, you'll really, really start enjoying life, man. And I gotta say, trading is definitely a dream. Trading full time, like for a living, it's amazing. Yeah, guys. It's definitely a dream being able to trade for a living because you don't answer to anybody. I guess I answer to Isaac when it comes to this Discord, but I don't really. Yeah. Wait, we have a guy that is 13 in our chat, Brian. Grail is 13 years old. Jeez. Oh, hold up here, guys. Incoming play alert. Um, Dang, Eric, that's pretty cool, man. Just a heads up, guys, I'm looking at shorting Disney, like, right now. I'm looking at 0508 $100 strike puts right now on Disney. All right, guys, I just got into those Disney puts. My average was 2.08. Reason why I got into Disney, descending triangle, a bit of a scrapey one, but not that bad. With actually decent volume. So shoot, I probably I think the chat is probably going to have missed the entry already. It'll probably be a quick scalp. Yeah, I guess I'll let them know, but they're gonna be late on it. Nice. Well, these are playing out very nicely. Sweet. Keep on sinking, Disney. Wait, so who got into this just now? Let's go, guys. Just so you guys know, I am getting ready to sell right now. Um, sorry for all the quick scalps, guys. It's been, I mean, this one was nice. I'm glad we caught that. I was just randomly scrolling through my watch list and I came upon this beautiful play. Oh shoot. Yeah, I mean, it is quick money, Razu. So Disney, oh man, we're I have no clue what I just entered into. I don't usually trade Disney, so I don't really know the common support and resistances yet on it. Yikes. Oh, looks like we're still sinking. Let's go. Yeah, RSI is really low. Sheesh. You guys want to just take profit now? Yeah, guys, let's just take profit. That was some nice gains pretty quick, though. Boom. Order status. Sweet, guys. Who took profit? Those were some nice gains, very quick. That was easy. I TP'd, I think I got 2.26. No, 2.24 on it. Easy. Hey, can you guys send those profits in the profit section if you don't mind? That'd be amazing. Well, let's go, guys. That's a great way to go out. Nice. Send those profits. That's good, Eric, that you were practicing your own risk management. Yeah, guys, that was a happy surprise leak. Didn't see one coming. I just was scrolling through my watch list and I was like, oh, damn, Disney's about to sink. Nice. Did I beat you? I got a better entry than you, Joey. Thank the Lord. Finally, I get a better entry than Joey for once in my life. Dude, let's go, Luke. That's awesome. Easy Disney play. So if we got, so 206 is what we got in at, divided by 224. Yeah, that's about 10% gains, I guess. Yeah, true, Eric. It's about time that we make some money off of Disney. Well, I guess I went 3 for 3 today over the live Zoom, guys. Hell of a day trading over the live Zoom. Thank you guys all for signing in. So just to be clear, you guys do want me to keep on doing the live trading? Awesome. I'll keep on doing it then. Awesome. I'm glad you guys enjoy it. I'm going to sign off, make myself sitting, but it was great trading with you guys today. 3 for 3, easy. Um, let's keep the streak going tomorrow.